Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is nutrition for nurses, and today we are going to discuss about clinical nutrition as well as role of health professionals in this clinical nutrition. As you all know that a patient's health condition is purely based on the nutritional status what they're having. The nutritional status of a body is closely related to their health and illness. Now here there are some health professional factors who will really play an important role in maintaining or improving this nutritional status of individual. The professionals are health professionals are physician, dietitians and nurse. Now these three people play an important role in life of a patient. Okay, now the role of the first is physician. The role of physician. Now here physician is a person who make the close observation in patient condition and make a proper diagnosis. So it's very important that a physician will make a right disease condition, right diagnosis of a patient. Sometimes clinical features are so closely related, doctor may get confused with the particular disease or nutritional deficiency disorders. Okay, in that case, doctor need a thorough examination, inspection, make all the test what is required, maybe some blood examination or assessment of nutritional status, everything will be done and doctor need to make a proper diagnosis. If it is because of nutritional deficiency or based on some disease condition, what kind of food need to be prepared, food need to be given, because what food you are giving that will bring a changes in patient health condition. That everything need to be considered and the physician will have a discussion with the dietitian. They need to give information about the disease condition, what amount of calorie, protein, energy, fat need to be provided to their patient body, how long they have to take such kind of diet, what kind of special diet preparation is required, everything should be discussed with the dietitian. This is the important role of physician. Next role played by a dietitian. Dietitian is a person who is planning a diet for a patient based on the disease condition, based on their nutrition requirement, based on to improve their optimum level of health. Now dietitian will discuss with the patient to know their diet pattern, like and dislikes. Now think, a dietitian planned a very good menu. That person is having protein energy deficiency, malnutrition, you eat chicken, you eat mutton, you eat egg. Now patient is vegetarian, what he will do? But you planned everything animal based diet. See, this is difficult. That's the reason now dietitian will have a discussion with the patient to understand patient like and dislikes, any allergic to any food substance, or whether they're vegetarian, vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Will consider all this information. Then dietitian will plan a proper diet plan, menu planning, what all the food item need to be included, so that he will making a total amount calculation of nutrient full day, calculating the amount of nutrition based on individual requirement, considering the food factors, what all the food system you can select, because sometimes you may be not that rich to purchase this expensive food item. So considering that, he need to give a food exchange list, planning a menu. This all is done by a dietitian, so that a dietitian is available anytime to meet your nutrition requirement, or if any changes happen because of the diet, that can be calculated and corrected with the help of dietitian. Next is none other than nurse. Around the clock, 24 into 7, only one person is working with the patient, that is none other than our nurse. Now nurse play a very important role in patient and nutritional status assessment and maintenance. Here nurse need to have a close observation of the patient, assess the condition, detect any changes, any response to any particular food item, any allergic condition, everything need to be assessed. Also nurse need to have a diet counseling with the patient, so that you will have a free opening discussion with the patient, set the environment, provide privacy, because sometimes see, like I will eat my family all are vegetarian, pure vegetarian, and I am eating non-vegetarian, no one know that. Now if I tell in front of nurse, others will come to know that leads to some kind of conflict. So whenever you want to counsel the patient, always provide a privacy, physical and psychological privacy to the patient. Give an open-ended question, discuss about the food with the patient, so that you are able to understand what's the food eating pattern, strategy, status, whatever the things is there in patient mind, you are able to assess, and also you can clarify some doubts whatever they got. So this will help the nurse to plan. Okay, this will also help the nurse that with what aspect she need to educate the patient. She need to explain the patient that what's the disease condition, how will be the prognosis, what kind of food need to be taken up, what kind of food need to be avoided, how much amount of food to be taken, and how much amount of water. For example, if in a renal condition, renal failure, there will be restriction in intaking of water. You need to drink only 500 ml water per day, 24 hours 500 ml. Just imagine, it's very difficult. Now nurse need to explain, counsel, convince them. All the responsibility goes to nurse, and nurse is performing well in her responsibility. So these all things is done by nurse. Also nurse will have a proper recording of information, also observe the eating pattern, like and dislikes, also take a responsibility that hot food is served hot and cold food is served as cold. Also, according to the counseling, you prepare a home diet. What kind of home preparation is doing at home, and that same can be bring into the hospital. So, these all are the responsibility of a nurse. So, this is very important that clinical nutrition, the health professionals are playing their important roles. Now, if you say the nurse will also have some other important roles by providing the health education. Now, health education is based on the special requirements like health education on weaning, health education on breastfeeding, health education on modification of a diet, or health education based on like diet consistency, type of diet to be prescribed. These all responsibilities taken up by the nurse. So that ultimate aim is that patient will improve their health status. Patient is able to cope with the condition, improve the nutritional requirements, and obtain a optimum health state. So this is all about the role of nurse as well as the other health professionals. I hope you understood. Please keep watching. I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you all.